Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix audio crackling in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plans. Click Power Options. If High Performance is selected, change to Balanced. If Balanced is selected, change to High Performance. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound Settings. Select Output Device, click Properties. Click Enhancements tab, uncheck Disable all enhancements, click Apply, click Advanced tab. Change default format and test one by one, select best one. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.